I remember Wednesday from last week. I know it feels like a long time ago, but I remember Wednesday from last week. A lot of fear out there. A lot of, oh my gosh, we're closing on the lows. We might roll over here, 200-day. Market's coming back in. CapEx, they're spending more money than we have. Oh my God, oh my God. And what a bear trap that ended up being. Just straight up 4 consecutive days. How are you trading this?
Just kind of holding on to what I got. It's a lot harder to buy as it just keeps shooting straight up.
Yep.
So really just staying in some of the positions that I had before. I've actually been happy with how I've been trading. It goes back to the Fed announcement last Wednesday. The market sold off. The Qs hit 660. Okay. And that was where that forced selling with the hedge fund that we didn't know what was happening. Situational awareness. And the guy had to dump stocks.
Leopold Aschenbrenner.
Yeah, I mean, there's no way I was going to try for that name.
We will not deny him his name.
situational awareness, and everything looked bad. And I came in, I was trading really well that day. My positions were going down, but I was buying puts in the Qs all through the close to offset my losses. So I was really happy with the way I was like trading it.
Mm-hmm.
And I came in on Thursday, and one of the stocks that I have a position in stock and options is APLD. And APLD, I've been in, the first time I bought it was 4. When I really started paying attention to it, it was like 8 or 9.
Mm-hmm.
It got to as high as 48. Anyhow, it had recently come down all the way to 23 on that Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
But it was earnings a couple of days before. It was trading at 28.50 post earnings. Point is, I had the 27 calls that I had been buying, and that's what was really beating me up on Wednesday. But I was offsetting with the Qs. So I came in with 100 of the 27 calls of APLD expiring that Friday, and the stock had closed at 23.80, and they were worth 7 cents. And so when it opened and it was trading at 26, still below the 27 strike, the calls were worth between 60 and 70 cents. So I was like, great. I just made $6-7 grand that I thought was gone. They expire tomorrow. So I started selling, and they would have been worth $30,000 if I held them one more day. And it's still gone up after that. And that's just an example of the extreme kind of moves that we saw.